All right, y'all. So we going right in on the GT5, gang. On the GT5. Come on. This bitch already at $2, man. New bidder. All right, that's all cool. I got 2,200. Come on. We need this, man. Y'all don't know nobody bidding on the GT5, man. Come on. What? Come on. 2,200. Come on. Bonus time. Come on, man. What y'all doing?
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
I got the cat right here too, man. I got the cat right there too. Come on. Come on, man. Oh. Y'all just woke up. Y'all know your boy Davo, man. I'm finna cry for.
My time has come.
Hey, this gonna be my first COPART build though too, y'all. So, hey, I had to do this for y'all, boy. Hey, I just woke up, man. I know I'm looking rough. Trust the process, man. I'm finna go get a cut today too, but that don't got nothing to do with nothing. I just got a congratulations email. Congratulations, Davo. We already got the cat though, y'all. So we ain't gotta do too much to it, but I'ma definitely mod that car out. I love the color. Let me show y'all real quick. That color is great. Let me put on my hat, folks, because I know I'm looking rough, folks. Hold up. Let me brush my motherfucking beard for y'all.
You ugly as shit.
Got the old school right here. Y'all know I got a little updates, but let me turn this off real quick. We go turn this little music off. Try to mute this real quick, because I'm finna show y'all boys how this joint look. I do feel like I low-key overpaid for this car, man. I was trying to pay $1,800 to $1,900, but I feel like the car is nice, bro. The color of the car is nice, man. So I'm not really complaining. Let me put on this damn hat, for. I know I'm looking rough, for. Damn, I only got my chain on. What am I doing? No, I just woke up, bro. I'm fresh from freaking waking up, man. I'm panicking. All right, y'all. So this is the vehicle. Let me click on the vehicle. Try to get y'all some HD photos. This is the vehicle. This vehicle is nice. I did myself with this one, man. Bro, gray. Y'all go love this one. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Hey, I'm investing in y'all boys. I know that y'all boys been wanting a build. Y'all know your boy Davo. I just been buying dealership cars. It's all right, though, man. We'll just keep on building. We'll get there one day. I'm finna go ham on this motherfucker for sure. But the only thing that was scaring me, boy, what the fuck is that? What is that? That look like some damn... Now, I ain't want to say what it look like, but y'all know what that look like. But, hey, it's cool. This car... run and drive, they say, and it didn't even have an engine picture, bro. This was the engine picture, bro. So, shit, we just tossing it up, man. Hey, it's only 3,000, right? So, then I noticed it got, like, the little drill, slided rotors, crap like that. It don't got, like, no freaking Brembo, like, no aftermarket Brembos or nothing like that. But, hey, the damage don't look as bad to somebody who, because the thing is with these second gens too, y'all, I just feel like, bro, you're going to replace the hood anyways. You're going to replace the headlights anyways. You're going to replace the bumper anyways. So, look. These airbags. This is the only thing where I'm like, I don't know. But, hey, airbags out. Bro, they got both dash airbags out. So, this one and then the one on the passenger side. And then the freaking steering wheel. But, shit, you could easily. Steering wheel, that shit ain't none. So, yeah, this shit ain't none. 158 miles. 158K to be exact. Which, bro, that's freaking nothing, man. This is a freaking RT. I don't care, bro. We modding this joint anyways, bro. If something happens, something happens. Y'all know how your boy Davo get, man. I don't care. At the end of the day, cars is meant to be driven. I won't say that they meant to be dogged, but they're meant to be driven, shorty. I'm going to let y'all boys know when this joint gets to the crib. We got a lot to come for y'all boys. I know I ain't showed y'all the cat. Do I got the keys in my pocket? Y'all know the cat is back. She's back. Carbon fiber. But y'all know the cat back. The Jeep in the cut. The Mercedes under the blanket. I got another Mercedes blocking the freaking driveway. Y'all know, man. It's just... How could you complain when you built something like this, man, from the ground up? Got my Pop's car right there. That's a 1973 Pontiac Granville. And we got more coming. I ain't gonna prolong this video. I'm gonna let y'all boys know when this car end up arriving, which it should arrive like in the next week or so. I don't know how this COPART crap go because this is my first COPART vehicle. But hey, I'm gonna let y'all boys know when this joint arrive. Hold up, y'all, because I ain't done. I need everybody, if you watching right now, before this joint arrive, I need you to hit that subscribe button and hit that hype button for me, man. Please, because I just spent my life savings, man. So please, y'all, I need y'all boys to hit that joint for me, gang. That's all I need. Hit that hype button and hit that subscribe button. Tune in to the build, gang, because I'm finna go crazy. And let me know what y'all want me to do. Do y'all want me to swap that car? I already got a cat, bro. So do y'all want me to swap that car, keep it a 5.7 and just like start just cosmetic crap? Or do y'all want me to throw just a Hellcat blower on it and just get like the supporting mods and all that? Or do y'all want me to do, like, just tell me what y'all want me to do. Because I'm going to do whatever y'all boys want me to do, man. I'm living like that. Nah. But I just been feeling like, bro, I just been having all of my bread tied into dealership cars, bro. I'm like, man, I'm going to just spend a cool 3,000 on this. I'm going to just do this. I'm going to just, instead of spending 90K on something like this, instead of spending another 90K on something like this, which this joint paid off, so I don't be complaining, man. This motherfucker been paid off since 2023, but hey, life. So I'm sitting here watching a freaking replay, bro. Libya, what is that? Shit look like some damn Ghana, like a Ghana ass flag. Let me look this shit up. Libya. The fuck? I never heard of that. North Africa. He was finna be tweaking in this spot. Look. I done beat out an African prince, shorty. Bro, this motherfucker so dirty, boy. My damn son, he be touching this motherfucker. Who y'all know? Bidding on a GT5. Got a cat behind him. Beating out an African prince, though. Ain't nobody doing that, man. But nah, though, boy. He was finna be definitely 100% tweaking in that motherfucker. Oh, yeah, I beat him out, gang. I ain't gonna lie. And I'll let y'all boys know when that joint come, though, man. All right, y'all. So she has arrived. I'm gonna give y'all a better view when I get behind my house, but man, this joint look crazy. I just can't show y'all my damn surrounding areas, shorty. But this joint is looking good, bro. I'm finna show y'all boys this T-Type 2. I think this is a Regal or something. I don't know a lot about old schools, though. Like I said, I can't show y'all boys too much, man. That joint is running, man. That joint looking good, gang.
I'm gonna need your help. Can you come up?
All right.
And you see those like cables plugged, like connected to the battery side?
Yeah, yep.
Can you just move that, please? Like just to like make like a good connection.
Yeah. The black one? The ground? All right, cool. All right, that one decent. Oh, yeah, that one should be decent. All right, it should be good. Nothing? All right. Is it there?
The power comes,
Yeah.
but it's not starting.
Still nothing?
Yeah, maybe this is not enough. You have a jump box. Can you bring it?
All right, Grant, I got you.
Try yours.
Yep, all right. Go and grab this wolf box, jump box real quick. Finna grab the baby boy wolf box. I had to take off my freaking jacket, bro. Oh my God. So freaking hot out here, but it just started raining out of nowhere. I'm gonna try to put the car right here in the grass though. So I'm gonna let y'all boys know when we get back. Keep it plugged?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try it again. Hold on, wait. Keep shutting off.
Holy shit.
Title. Then the keys is just one key.
Yeah,
That's that one key. Yeah, yep. All right, great.
So I need to scan these.
All right, y'all. So this will officially be my first start. I'm gonna just make sure that everything is off, man. Make sure everything is off, so shit ain't no more power going to nothing else extra. But I didn't even know that they got freaking Beats Audio. Swish is sweet. Oh no, that's a black. Black and bad. Nah, though, man. She's finally home, bro. Press that boost. Boost that joint up. Come on, come on, come on. Hurry up, Davo. First start up. Yee. Alright, we gonna try to back this joint up, gang. Come on. Please, come on. Don't shut off on me, baby. Don't shut off! Oh! Man, this motherfucker ain't getting no power at all, bro. Just gonna have to repeat this until it's all the way back, gang. Boost that joint up again. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Damn. Damn. It's too hot to be playing in this motherfucking game. It's way too hot. All right, so hopefully this will be the last time. Ugh. Turn this joint all the way. Ooh, I'm finna hit the motherfucking gate, shorty. Ooh, I think we got it. I think we got it, baby. We got it. We got it. Y'all, so she's finally home, man. Make sure I put this joint in park. Push that parking brake all the way down. Just in case, cause I'm finna go. Gotta go make this run real quick, gang. But hey, she's finally home, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all boys more updates on her. Talking about all over. How the crap do it go from front damage to all over, man? Y'all boys tripping, but we're gonna most likely have to cut. Let me see. Yeah, we gonna have to figure out this freaking latch. But cause this latch is fucking done for. But shoot, as long as we could get that little jump starter in. Ooh, buddy. Bro, this joint went from fully charged to all the way dead, man. Shout out Wolfbox. I seen that this tire was low-key low. This joint go low-key need tires all around. Y'all know where I'm stopping at. My motherfucking boy. But, hey, this damage not as bad in the front as I thought. I thought that this joint was super, way, way worse. Even these connectors don't look that damaged. Hey, we might have just caught us one, gang. We might have just caught us one, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. But, hey, bro. Just let me know if y'all boys want an update. I'm gonna have to go to, like, AutoZone or something to buy a cover as well for this joint. But, hey, this is just a start, gang. This is just a little introduction video. Little take a delivery video. Hey. Bumblebee. Even though this joint is a 5.7, man, I don't even think I showed myself in the video at all in this little clip, bro, because I'm hot, bro. It's raining now. Hey, a lot of motherfuckers jewelry, man. They can't get it wet. You know that. Jewelry Unlimited. Make sure this shit closed. I see they low-key, most likely, bent it a little bit up. This ain't bad, y'all. Ooh, we got us one, gang. Finally, I got a second gen. I know I've been talking about it, but I never did it. And this joint got Beats audio. Damn. Bumper? I didn't even know it came with a bumper. Even though that this joint is trash. I'm gonna throw this joint in the trash, but we got us one though, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all boys know. I will pop the trunk, but we ain't gonna pop the trunk. We gonna pop this trunk in the next video for y'all boys. Ooh, we lit, gang. But right now, I'm just finna go get my little scissors, cut this joint off. I might not have to cut it off. It might come off like this. You just go do it like that, then. Probably get a little custom key. But hey, just let me know what I should name her, y'all. Damn, this fake ass carbon fiber. Trash. That fucked up the whole dash fucked anyway, so it really don't even matter, but we got her, man. Got my title right here, which I already showed y'all. I just don't want to show y'all too much information, really. It is a 2014. This joint do got, I'm gonna just give y'all all of that extra info, man. Let y'all boys know. I'll let y'all boys know, gang. Man, I'm happy, folks. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. I'm happy. We lit. More to come. Hey, stay tuned, gang. That's all I'm gonna say to y'all boys, man. Stay tuned. Keep grinding. You can get here, bro. I've been telling all my homies, bro. A Hellcat doesn't matter, bro. Getting a Hellcat, getting a Scat. I already got a cat. Y'all already know this. I got a cat. I got a GT500, bro. I already did the freaking ZL11LE. I had a Scat Pack. Bro, I had a V6 Charger, bro. I had to get this joint, though, man. It's gonna be a long journey, bro. Y'all know I'm gonna play crazy with this joint. Off the back, windshield, easy. Dashboard, easy. Steering wheel, easy. Bumper, bracket, hoods, all of that good stuff. I'm gonna get a battery. Y'all just gonna have to wait on the freaking journey, man. Just wait on the journey. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh! Woo! Just wait on a motherfucking journey, gang. I'm soaking wet now. I done took off my damn hoodie. I'm soaked. And Bro Gray got the Granville. I know y'all been wanting updates on the Granville. Y'all know I've been touching it up a little bit, but hey, I can't show y'all boys too much. This rain messing with the quality of the video. We coming though, y'all. That's all I'm gonna say. We coming. It's about that time, boys. It's about that time. Y'all boys better get ready. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all better get real ready. Boy, Davo coming. Crazy. Just make sure that y'all boys spam this hype button for me. Spam that like button for your boy. Long journey. It's gonna be my first real build and not just a dealership bought car. I'm knowing y'all gonna love this journey, bro. I'm sorry it's pouring raining. Damn, man. It's pouring raining. But my Uber just got here. I'm finna go my ass to the airport right now. Gotta pick up my damn Jeep from the airport right now. So I'm gonna get up with y'all boys in the next one, gang. It's been your boy Davo. Shout out Wolfbox, cause Wolfbox low-key saved us, bro. That other jump starter was not working, bro. But Wolfbox has saved the day once again, gang. So shout out Wolfbox a lot. Been your boy Davo. I'm out, gang. Peace.